Hey everyone! Awesome Disney Toys here, and today I have a super fun set for you. This one's called Doggie Doo. The dog actually poops, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. Here's the back of the box. Feed and walk your little pup. When he makes a mess, you clean it up. Eat up, doggy. Roll the die. Squeeze his leash. What's that sound? What did he do? You win by collecting all the Doggie Doo. This game seems like a lot of fun. I can't wait to get started. We'll start by opening the box. Oh, here are some helpful tips. Here's a bag of accessories. Looks like we have some shovels in there. Let's take a closer look. Cool! Here's a doggy bone. And 4 shovels. That means 4 people can play. A red one, a purple one, a green one, and a blue one. Here are some stickers for our die. We're going to stick them on right here. This is what we're going to be using to make the treats. And here's a little plunger just in case anything gets stuck. Here are the instructions. Let's see what's under here. Oh, it's his leash. And here's our doggie. Oh, he's a cute little wiener dog. And he's sticking out his tongue. You're so silly. His leash pumps like this. This is how we're going to be playing the game. Oh, there's some more stuff under here. Nice! Here's some green goop. This is what we're going to be using to make his treats. And it's going to be his poop. Okay guys, let's start by putting the stickers on the die. We just stick them all around. Here's number 1. Number 2. Here's another number 2. Number 3. An X means you get 0 pumps. And if you get this one, you switch shovels with someone. Now let's make the treats. Ugh, this looks so weird. And it feels even weirder. It's so slimy. And stretchy. So the instructions say to fill up this bowl to make 1 treat. It's important to fill it up all the way so that he poops correctly. I'm going to be making 5 of these. Oh, I just love the way this feels. Here's our second one. And I'm making our last one right now. And I invited a special guest to come play with us. It's Doc McStuffin. Are you ready to play, Doc? Alrighty. What color shovel do you want? Purple? Here you go. You look like you're ready to scoop up some dew. So the objective of the game is to collect 3 poops. But first we have to feed the dog. What do you think we should name this dog? I'm gonna name it Rupert. Let me know in the comments what you guys would name him. And after we feed him his treat, then we give him his bone. Time to roll the dice. Yes, I got number 3. So I pump it 3 times. Whoa, whoa, he just farted. Excuse you, Rupert. Here, Doc, it's your turn to roll. You got number 2. Now it's my turn. What did I get? I got number 2 as well. So I just pump it firmly twice. Woo! I got some dew. Whoops, I shouldn't have touched it with my hands. That's what the shovels are for. I think Rupert's hungry again. Let's see if he knows any tricks. Rupert, sit. Guess not. Rupert, spin. Spin. Nope. Rupert, play dead. Bang. Good boy. Good boy. Here's a treat for you. And here's your bone. Such a good boy you are. Okay, Doc, it's your turn again. You got number 2. So squeeze firmly twice. Ew! Doggy farts are the worst. Oh man, I got number 1. That's okay. Your turn, Doc. Darn! She got switched shovels. Ugh, that was my only poop. Let's see if I can win back a poop. Number 1. That wasn't as high as I was hoping for. I'm still not used to all this farting. Your turn, Doc. Whoops, it went under the doggy. I'll just grab it from there. You got number 2. 1, 2. Oh man, it's halfway out. This is my chance to even up the game. I just can't get no turn. Woo! Number 3. Nice, I only needed 1 of those. Ew, look at this poop. That was a big one, Rupert. Alright, boy, give me the bone. Give it here. Good boy. Here's a treat for you. And here's your bone back. Your turn, Doc. 3. That's a good number. 1, 2, 3. Nope, no doggy do. I got number 2. 1, 2. Nope. Maybe on the next one. You got number 1, Doc. Come on, number 3, number 3, number 3. Okay, number 2. That's not bad. 1, 2. Guess that's all I needed. Yes, I have 2 doggy doos. Give me the bone, Rupert. Urgh. Good boy. Here's another treat for you. Okay, Doc, let's see if you can tie up the game. Number 2. One, 2. I got number 2. Maybe this will be enough. 1, 2. Oh man, guess not. Womp, womp. You got number 1. I'm feeling good about this one. Number 2 again. That seems to be my lucky number today. 1. Oh! I guess I didn't even need that second one. And the winner! I got 3 poops. It was great playing with you, Doc. Fist bump. Boop. We should definitely play again sometime. This game was so much fun. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.